Here are 31 useful German verbs in under 3 minutes. Stellen, to put. Bestellen, to order. Erstellen, to create. Herstellen, to produce. Feststellen, to determine and also to realize. Sich vorstellen, to imagine and also to introduce. Sicherstellen, to make sure. Einstellen, to configure, to adjust and also to hire. Zustellen, to deliver. Fertigstellen, to finish. Bereitstellen, to provide. Klarstellen, to clarify, to get something clear. Bloßstellen, to embarrass. Darstellen, to play a role and also to depict. Ausstellen, to turn off and also to exhibit and also to issue something. Sich herausstellen, to turn out. Nachstellen, to stalk. Sich anstellen, to queue, to get in line. And also to behave like a child, to be a baby. Anstellen, to hire. Etwas anstellen, to get into mischief. Abstellen, to turn off and also to place an item somewhere or to park your car. Richtigstellen, to correct. Zufriedenstellen, to satisfy. Entstellen, to mutilate. Aufstellen, to put something up. Hinstellen, to place. Sich hinstellen, to stand up. Wegstellen, to put something away. Zurückstellen, to put something back. Verstellen, to change the settings. Also, to change the position or direction. Den Weg verstellen, to block the way. Sich verstellen, to act differently from how you feel. Umstellen, to relocate. Umstellen, to surround. Sich querstellen, to oppose. Wiederherstellen, to restore, to reset. Durchstellen, to put someone through.